Hey there, everyone. Hello, students and teachers alike. I want to just quickly show how to test your pronunciation. First, for students, especially students learning English, of course, uh, your pronunciation is important, and it's much easier if you get feedback immediately. So let's use Google Docs voice typing as a way to test your pronunciation is correct. Okay. Go into your apps in Google, or I use Chrome, so it's already there. Go to Docs and just select a blank document. And there you go. You'll get it. It'll take a little while sometimes to get all these options in the menus. I'll just call the document speaking test. Okay, if I show this in class, I usually make the text fairly large. And it shows on the screen a little bit better. Okay, so you want to practice your pronunciation? Go to Tools and scroll down to voice typing, okay? And you'll get your microphone. And when you turn this one on, you should be able to see my words. Let's see how we go, okay? Can you see my words? Question mark. There you go. I clicked it off. How good is that? Huh? So that will show your pronunciation, and you can test over and over and over again to perfect your pronunciation. So I'll try a couple, shall I? Chikwun. It even does it pretty well when you don't do it right. Pretty good, isn't it? Full stop. Try it yourself and see how good it is. Okay, class. Goodbye. Study hard